Hey everybody, I got a 1999 Chevy S10 replacing the high beam. That's how you get the thing out. Just pull up that retaining clip. You see that? That's all you have to do. You don't have to look for any bolts or anything to take out. It's really easy to get it out so that you pull the headlight forward. Once you get it forward, you're gonna look for what's the bulb that you need to replace. In my case, it was the high beam, which is towards the middle of the truck. Now mine was very stubborn as far as twisting to get the bulb out. So once you get that out, it's just a matter of taking the bulb assembly and separating it from the wire. So just be careful with that. Mine was smashed, so I knew I had to replace that. So this is what you should have once you take the bulb out, and just go get a replacement bulb. Not difficult at all. And that's the wire that it came from. So just pull out what you need. And there are like 3 bulbs there. So the one to the right of the screen, the innermost towards the inner center of the truck, that's the high beam. The middle one is your main headlight, and then that one there I think is the turn signal. So just take out what you need and replace that. You don't have to replace the whole headlight itself. And like I said, it wasn't too difficult. Just be careful. And like I said, it's kind of confusing trying to figure out what to pull out to get the headlight out. But again, just look for the retaining pins. You should have 2. I think I had 1. I think I was missing one. You don't have to look down those holes or up and down and all around. Just look for the retaining pin and pull it up. And then when you put the bulb back in and put it back together, it's just the opposite. Okay, there's a retaining pin. You should have 2. I was missing one. That thing right there just pulls up. And sometimes they're difficult to get up. So you may need like vice grips or something to pull it up, but it definitely just pull that up to get the headlight out. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Have a blessed day.